In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks using Google Calendar in combination with Taskboard. This guide will help you manage your responsibilities more effectively and collaborate with others effortlessly. So let's jump right in and get started on making your task management not only simpler, but also more efficient. First things first, you'll need to visit taskboard.com and sign in using your Google account. Taskboard is an incredibly powerful tool that syncs directly with Google Calendar, which allows you to seamlessly organize tasks and maintain synchronization across both platforms. By signing in with your Google credentials, you ensure that your data stays synced and easily accessible no matter where you are. Once you've signed in and your tasks have been successfully synced with Taskboard, it's time to navigate over to Google Calendar. Simply head over to calendar.google.com. When you're there, look to the upper left corner and click on the Create button. This action will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to choose the Task option to start adding a new item. As you create a new task, be sure to enter a clear and descriptive title. This ensures that the task is easily recognizable later on. It's also important to set a specific date and time for your task. This keeps your schedule accurate and well organized. Additionally, there's an option to include a description for the task, which is particularly useful if it involves multiple steps or contains any crucial notes you'd like to remember. After you're satisfied with all the details for the task, simply click Save. Thanks to the seamless integration between Google Calendar and Taskboard, this task will now appear on both platforms. This synchronization means that you can manage tasks from either platform without skipping a beat. It's all about making the experience as smooth and efficient as possible. If you want to share your task list with others, return to Taskboard. Find the specific task list you want to share and click on the three-dot menu next to it. In the drop-down options, you'll see the Share List option. This option will generate a unique sharing link for that particular list, allowing you to distribute it with ease. Once you have this link, you can copy and send it to colleagues or team members via email, messaging apps, or whatever platform you prefer. Anyone who receives the link will be able to view and even contribute to the shared task list, which is incredibly handy for enhancing teamwork and collaboration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create, manage, and share tasks using both Google Calendar and Taskboard. We hope this tutorial helps you to improve your organization and foster more effective collaboration. Thanks for watching,